I want to give a special tribute to the year 2020. You suck. I'm fairly certain we'll all be glad when you're gone. Before we get started, I got some sticker shout outs. The first one is for Brenda G's Designs. Brenda's crafty. Be like Brenda. Now, I gotta apologize to Brenda for this one because I found the envelope in between my truck seat. I don't know how long it's been there, but I know it's been months. Then I got Dan, the tool DIY geek, and I know he sent me his sticker several months ago, but I already sent him mine. Then there's Eric from Hand Tool Rescue, and Eric's got a really great YouTube channel where he rebuilds a bunch of old stuff. But he also makes things, like part of my everyday carry, this little pocket wrench. And I was able to convince Eric to give me the very first one of a new product that he's going to be introducing later in the year. And that thing is going to be a gift to my bride when we can finally get back to having a big crowd and having a wedding so we can celebrate. Then there's Zach over at ZH Fabrication. Zach made a really nice chef knife for me, and he put it out to bid on Instagram, and I was the high bid. It was a drunk buy, but I got the knife, and it's a really nice knife. And I dare say it's worth what it paid. So I'll leave links to all their social media presences in the doobly-doo below, and you can go check them out. Well, friends, life is so much in the way of things I don't have time to watch YouTube videos hardly at all anymore. One of the problems with that is I end up missing out on some of the challenges. One of the channels that issued a challenge that I've actually participated in before is the Pallet Upcycle Challenge. It used to be run by Sterling Davis, who's a pretty good friend of mine, and it was just too much for him, so he handed it off, and I don't know how many hands it's been through since he let go of it, but right now it's in the hands of Russ Clarity over at Simply Wooden Creations. Russ put out an announcement that there just wasn't enough participation this time, so he decided to extend the deadline by a couple of weeks. So to help him out and maybe get some of that juicy prize money, I think I'm going to turn in an entry. So I'm going to put something together for the challenge. Here's a stack of pallets. Let's see what I can find. That looks like a piece of red oak. I think that'll do. Alright, so now I'm back at the shop. One thing I want to do is sand this down so I can see what the actual grain is, make sure this is what I think it is. Well, suddenly I'm not exactly sure what this is, but it's definitely hardwood. And look at that, the grain really kind of pops. Let me see if I can get the light better for... Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that grain looks really nice. So I'm going to use it. So this is another in a long list of reasons why you never can tell what you're going to see on this channel. But if you hit that notification bell, you'll be sure to get a notice every time I release something new. Notice how I do this is I put the point right on the center and just push the wood up into it. Before we go, I want to give a special tribute to the year 2020. You suck. I'm fairly certain we'll all be glad when you're gone. Don't forget to check out Simply Wooden Creations Pallet Upcycle Challenge. As of the date of this publication, there's still time to get your hands in on it. The project I did took me about 2 hours today, including going and finding a pallet. So that's all for this time. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click up here to see my last video. Click over here to see something of mine that YouTube thinks you'll like. And have a good one.